Open house signs. We're having an open house this Saturday and Sunday at the house here behind us. And to get traffic, a lot of times you got to put some flag signs up like this. So I had to put like 5 different flag signs up on different corners to get people back here. Of course, we haven't advertised, but it's good to put signs with some balloons on them. So previously, I used to just put signs up. Sometimes I'd ask, sometimes I wouldn't. But what I recently started doing, and it really works, is I knock at the door at the yard where I want to put the signs up on the corner, and I ask them first. And they always said yes when you ask. And then I hand them this. It's a little note, says thanks. I'll remove the sign on Sunday evening, and I let them know it's a $10 Starbucks gift card. And then I have my business card behind that. And these people are so appreciative, so appreciative. So just a thought, if you need to put signs up, always get permission, and don't hesitate to give them a little thank you gift, like a $10 Starbucks gift card. I'm telling you, it comes back 5 and 10-fold. Guys, have a great day.